Hello and welcome to all the viewers watching my video. My name is Lucky and I'm the person who's going to tell you why is communicating important in one's life. So, let's get started. Communication. When you hear this word, what the first thing comes in your mind? Is it the speaker speaking with you, or is it you making some actions that is coming in front of you, or just something else? My friend, everyone in this world say that if you are educated you can change the world. I say yes, you can, but no one says that why is communication important. If someone knows the way of speaking, he could change the whole world. Why are politicians politicians? Why are teachers teacher? Why are businessmen businessmen? This is all because they know the way of speaking. Why are salespersons so successful in selling their product? Suppose if tomorrow a salesperson goes out of country to sell his product, and then if there the buyer will check only 30% of the product but 70% of your attitude, your communication skill and your words. If your attitude will be attractive, then he will see that also, and the way of your speaking, the words, because your words is the one thing that can influence the buyer to buy your product. Words, the way of the speaking is something that can turn your friend into a foe. I will say that if you know the way of speaking, it's the most dangerous weapon, because you can change the whole world's thought. If you are a leader, then your one word can change whole minds. If you are a leader, you said one bad thing for one person, all of your followers will say, yes, he's a bad person. But all you need is way of communication. If suppose you want to open a company, you want an investor, what will you do? You will call him. Yes, you will call him. But you will first of all tell him that what your business is. Now, my friend, business is like almost same, but it's on you that how you speak to him, that what is the scope of the business in future. It's on you that how you show him that what is your business scope in future. It's all over you, that what you do. It's all the matter of the way you speak. So I would say that communication is the major factor that no one sees, but they should. Because if you know the way of speaking, so you can do anything, nothing is impossible for you. All you need to do is make the small business. If you will just make the small business in a different words, then you can change anything, you can do anything. All you need is communication skills. If you had good communication skills, you can change the world. Yes, with that, I'll end this video. So, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to it, like this video, share it with your friends, especially if that business, so they know why is communication important and why is it required. Thank you.